lynchings, lost cities, and moonstorms. Welcome to Today in History, your journey through the most jaw-dropping moments that actually happened on August 29. From race tragedies to super solar flares, tech revolutions to royal romance, this date is wild, emotional, and packed with surprises. Prepare to laugh, gasp, maybe even wince. Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell, because every day's a plot twist waiting to unfold. Number 20, August 29, 475, General Orestes deposed Emperor Julius Nepos in Ravenna, marking the final end of Western Roman imperial dominion. Even though some emperors lingered as emperors in name only. Number 19, August 29, 663, in Korea's Battle of Baekgang, Tang-Silla forces crushed Baekje restorationists and their Japanese allies. This victory cemented Silla's power and shifted the balance on the peninsula. Number 18, August 29, 1189, Richard the Lionheart was crowned King of England in Westminster Abbey during the Third Crusade's buildup. His magnetic charisma would define a warrior king for generations. Number 17, August 29, 1526, the Mughal Empire began with Babur's decisive victory at the First Battle of Panipat. Guns, cannons, and cavalry smashed the Delhi Sultanate, birthing centuries of imperial splendor. Number 16, August 29, 1609, explorer Henry Hudson discovered what we now call the Hudson River. He thought he had hit the Pacific, not knowing he'd deeply reshape New York's future. Number 15, August 29, 1831, Michael Faraday experimentally discovered electromagnetic induction in London. His revelation about magnetism and electricity fueled the invention of generators and modern power grids. Number 14, August 29, 1854, American inventor Daniel Halliday patented the self-regulating windmill, revolutionizing water pumping on farms and launching the era of renewable rural power. Number 13, August 29, 1862. The Second Battle of Bull Run began in Virginia during the American Civil War. Confederate General Lee outmatched Union troops, handing the North a major defeat. Number 12, August 29, 1882, Gottlieb Daimler patented the world's first motorcycle, a two-wheeled riding car with a gasoline engine, paving the way for a century of speed-hungry riders. Number 11, August 29, 1893, the Klepper Raft Company unveiled the first folding kayak design, revolutionizing river travel and pioneering water sports long before inflatable paddleboards existed. Mid-roll CT8. If that folding kayak blew your mind, don't paddle away just yet. Like, subscribe, and hop aboard, because the next fact sinks faster than an overloaded steamer. Number 10, August 29, 1922, the Chilean steamer Itara capsized off Coquimbo, killing 309. Only 13 survived after the crew overloaded it, leading to calls for stricter maritime laws. Number 9, August 29, 1949, the Soviet Union detonated its first atomic bomb, First Lightning, in Kazakh, SSR. The test ended America's nuclear monopoly and escalated Cold War tensions. Number 8, August 29, 1958, U.S. Air Force Academy opened in Colorado Springs, establishing a modern military education system for future officers amid the space race and Cold War buildup. Number 7, August 29, 1966, the Beatles played their final paid concert at San Francisco's Candlestick Park. Their epic farewell signaled the end of live touring, even as studio dominance beckoned. Number 6, August 29, 1975, Peru's president, Juan Velasco Alvarado, was ousted in a coup, ending 7 years of leftist rule. A new junta would reshape the country's politics and economy. Number 5, August 29, 1988, Afghan pilot Abdul Momen became the first Afghan in space aboard Soyuz TM-6. His achievement inspired pride and spacefaring dreams across the nation. Number 4, August 29, 1991, Nancy Kerrigan won her first U.S. figure skating title, beginning her ascent to Olympic stardom, and later scandalous headlines after the famous attack. Number 3, August 29, 2005, Hurricane Katrina made landfall near New Orleans. Its levee failures unleashed catastrophic flooding. Over 1,800 people died, and the storm reshaped emergency response policies. Number 2, August 29, 2008, John McCain surprised the nation by choosing Alaska Governor Sarah Palin as his running mate, ushering in a polarizing new era in U.S. politics. Number 1. August 29, 2019, President Trump announced plans to withdraw U.S. troops from Afghanistan, triggering global debates on America's military footprint and the region's fragile peace. From Roman dethronements to nuclear tests, wind-powered breakthroughs and fate-shaken hurricanes, August 29 reminds us that history isn't safe and tidy. But don't check out yet. Tomorrow's August 30 offers a volcanic comet impact, moon maps that redrew the globe, and a century-old prison break that rewrote folklore. Subscribe, ring that bell, and meet us back here, because Today in History simply refuses to let time go quiet.